Gone are the days when we could offer you 6 or 7 of these Range Rover Velars. Honestly, those days have gone. This is such a hard car to buy and get hold of in this specification. 2018 68 plate Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic SE in silicone silver. Car's covered 18,000 miles, live price today at 47,990. This is an incredible car, and one that is not readily available anymore. If we could buy 20 of these, we would. So be very, very quick if you're interested in this car, because it'll fly out. 18,000 miles with a full factory black pack. This R-Dynamic is an incredible car in silicone silver, which is a cracking colour for the car. Grey, green, gold. It looks loads of different colours. And with the black pack, it suits the car down to the ground. This car's got an opening panoramic sunroof. The black pack is incredible. And the wheels, those wheels, 21-inch gloss black multi-spoke wheels, they make the car. Being an R-Dynamic, the car is different to other cars you see in the market. The body styling's different, and this is an SE, so the specification is fabulous. From the front, the beautiful LED driving lights, LED front headlights, the R-Dynamic styling, the gloss black styling pack, bumper insert with the included fog lights. The front section of the bumper all in gloss black, and the grille and badging in gloss black. Even the light surrounds at the bottom, the bonnet inserts, the wing inserts, all gloss black. The contrast between the colour is fab, especially with those wheels. The car is an instant seller. Being the Velar, it's a coupe style, but everyone loves them. The flush door handles, the folding mirrors, so as you open the car, the handles come out and they fold flush when unlocking. The car has got keyless entry, it's got keyless start. Note that sunroof. It's not just a pan roof, it's a full tilt and slide sunroof. Privacy glass. The Velar's a big car, sort of a crossover between a Range Rover Sport and a Range Rover Evoque, and it's ever so popular. Gloss black styling package continues to the back, so the diffuser at the bottom, the boot finisher and the badging all in black. It's a D240 SE, this car, so if I can find the boot release, it's a 240 brake horsepower diesel engine. One of the things that everyone loves about these Velars is the space aspect, so big boot, it's long, you've got a bit of height, it's a cracker really, and it does give lots of people, lots of different customers, a real good buy because it's big, it's quick, it's modern, and this one in particular, in the colour combination with the specification, is just a beautiful car. 18,000 miles, ebony leather. The leather in this is special. It's got white stitching, and it's also got some Alcantara sections to it, which I do love. Isofix points across the back. Big features on this car, not standard with the Meridian surround sound system. This one's got it. It's also got electric seats, electric memory seats for driver, heated seats, it's automatic. In this Velar, we've got the digital cockpit, the full ceramic controls on the steering wheel down the center of the console. And having adaptive cruise control also has lane departure, it has lane assist and blind spot. There's a little light in the mirror there, which we'll show you on the other side with your blind spot monitor. So for assistance systems and safety systems, it's got everything, but it's a 240 brake horsepower car, so it does drive exceptionally well. Again, what I love about these Velars is the attention to detail that Land Rover have put in them, down to the trim in the doors is beautiful. The sound system's brilliant. I've noted the memory seats, folding door mirrors, which you've seen, all the leather lined doors, and it's a very nice example. So let's jump in. I've got 2 keys for the car. Before I even start the car up, you'll notice the R-Dynamic graphic on the screen there. The car's covered 18,000 miles. Okay, so the car's a dynamic, as you see, so you get a different steering wheel, stainless steel section around that. We've got the ceramic dials on the steering wheel as well, cruise, lane departure, we've got lane assist, we've got the Bluetooth and stereo controls here. Then note the navigation, full screen navigation, that's all changeable. You can adjust the settings to change that screen. The ceramic screens to the center, the top one you can see, we've currently got our reversing camera on there. Very, very straightforward to use. Navigation, Bluetooth, DAB on media interface, Apple CarPlay. Not all of these cars have that on this generation, by the way. This one's got it, Apple and Android CarPlay, in control apps. It's brilliant. Seat selections, we've got heated seats, we've got electric seats, we've got aircon, we've got heated front and rear screens. Obviously your automatic gearbox is here. This car, being a dynamic, has a different driving mode as well. Brilliant again, but it's very plush inside. It's beautiful inside. And the big one for me, the sunroof. Tilt and slide glass roof. It's a massive, massive option. Also have powered blind for that as well, to shut off the sunlight if you do need to. So the car's keyless, and what I mean by that is we've got 2 keys for the car. You don't have to open it with the keys. You can walk up to the car, press the button, lock it and unlock it through that. It's a great car in a great colour with great spec. We'll come fully prepared, but listen, it won't last long, and I mean it. Give me a call on my number on the screen. I'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.